All right, boys and girls, we're here at Mrs. Purcell's farm, and we see that we have three red hens here. And it doesn't look like they're really doing anything, but they're actually cooperating. Now, these are some hungry hens, and we see a fourth one coming in. Can you imagine if these hens came out to the grass? They're looking for bugs and looking to eat grass. Imagine if they started pushing each other and fighting and saying, "Give me that bug, and I want to eat that piece of grass." No, nobody would get fed, and it would be a bad time for everybody. But instead, they're cooperating. They're kind of keeping their distance. They're knowing what area to go ahead and stay in and allow the other ones to eat in the other area. So that is showing cooperation. Even farm animals can cooperate. So this weekend, let's think about what we can do to cooperate in the house. Can we help our brother or sister out? Help our mom or dad? What can we do together to get things done in the house and to have fun together in cooperation? And go ahead and draw a picture of that, and let's turn it in.